In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to make an angle sleeve. So the first thing is to get your sleeve. This is the sleeve I'll be using. I already cut it. And you determine the length you want first, maybe 10 inches or 11 or 12 inches. Then I will join that part. I will join the parts of the sleeve. So I will sew my sleeve. And after sewing the sleeve, I will measure the round curve, the round sleeve, the curve of this sleeve. I will measure it. I have 6 inches here. That means the sleeve is 12 inches. I mean the cuff, the round sleeve is 12 inches. So I will divide 12 inches by 3.14. 3.14. And this will give me 3.82. So I'll pick a pattern paper, just one single pattern paper, and I will mark 3.82 on the tape. From the edge of the pattern paper, I will mark 3.82, and just like an arc or a semicircle. So I'll mark 3.82. And after marking my 3.82, I will now mark again from that 3.82. I will mark the length of the angle sleeve. Now that is the angle sleeve has the long side and the short side. So now I'm marking the short side, what the length I want the short part to be. So I'm using 6 inches. So from my first mark, I'll put my tape on it and I mark my 6 inches round. And after that, I'll cut it out. So this is what I have at the end. Now I'll pick my ruler and I'll draw lines, about 3 or 4 lines, so that I can slash and spread this pattern. I'll just draw the line. I'm not really following any particular dimension, so I just draw the lines. So the next thing is to open it up. I'm marking here so that I will know that that is the folded area or the short part. So now I will open up the lines. And after opening it up, I'll take it to my fabric and I'll cut. So I'll take this pattern and place it on my fabric. This is the fabric I'll be using, and I'll fold my fabric into two like this. Then I'll place the pattern on the fabric. I will use my pin to pin it down. I will arrange it properly. Just keep watching and you understand what I want to do at this point. So after pinning it down, I'll take my tape to be sure. Okay, that is 6 inches times 2. It will give me 12, which is the round curve, the curve we are working with. So now I'm going to shape my fabric. I'll shape my fabric depending on how long you want your sleeve to be, the angle sleeve, how long you want it to be. So that is what will determine how you are going to shape it. So I'll start from this part, which is the small part of the sleeve now, and I will just mark it. So watch as I mark this. My marker is not showing well. I will, after using this marker, I will use a chalk so that you understand. So I'm just trying to mark while extending the pattern. I'm extending, I'm not following. I only followed the pattern paper when I started, but as I go down, I went down to the end of the fabric. Just keep watching, you understand it. So this is me trying to retrace it with a chalk so that you can see what I'm doing. So after marking out, I'll cut it, and I will attach it to my already prepared sleeve, and then we will have our angled sleeve. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do like this particular video, drop your comments, and share with your loved ones. When you subscribe, it encourages me to put out more content out there. If you have learned something or this video is a blessing to you, don't forget to subscribe. So I'll just cut out the pattern. I will take it to my sewing machine and join it with the already prepared sleeve that we have, and then we'll have our angled sleeve.